This is the Truma heating in this particular model. It's off at the moment. Press the wheel. So on your heating, below this line are your access facilities. And when an icon is flashing, you need to press the wheel to go into it, either to turn it on or turn it off or alter the temperature. So if I only want the hot water on it, so just go across onto there, twist the wheel till it flashes, press the button, and then just turn your water on to what temperature you want. You've got Eco, which is 40 degrees, Hot, which takes up to 60 odd degrees, and you've also got Boost, which will boost the water. If you're having showers, it will override the heating control though. But when you select it, press the wheel to confirm. So now I've set it up on the Eco setting. We are connected to the mains, so you do need to make sure the mains are on. That's indicated by that little symbol. And we're running 1600 watts of electric. So if you want to change your power source, just turn the wheel to get to that icon. You can see at the moment the symbol up the top there is flashing. It's working up to temperature. When it gets to temperature, that will go static. So I want to change my electric to just gas. Turn the wheel, get onto that, press the button, twist the wheel back, press the button. Now I've changed it from electric to gas. If you want to mix the power, so you want to run gas and electric together, and you may want to do that either to get the heating up and running quicker or get the hot water hotter quicker. So if you want to run both electric and gas together, turn the wheel round, then you've got an option mix. So mix 1 is gas plus 800 watts of electric. If you twist it again, you've got electric or mix 2. Now electric 2 is 1600 watts. Press the button to confirm it, and that's running on dual fuel now. Your heating is controlled from this one. So if you just slide that wheel back, get to your little van up there, press the wheel to go into the settings, heating is off, turn the wheel round and set it to whatever temperature you want. When you're comfortable, 20 odd degrees, 22 degrees, just press the button to confirm it. Now the heating is set at 20 degrees, and you can see that's flashing as well. So they're both thermostats are working up to temperature. As soon as you put your heating on, the fan does come on. So it's just indicated up there. So that's your heating fan. So because it's blow air, it's pushing the heat through the vents around the caravan. You've got options on there as well. So if you just slide over onto that one there, press the wheel. Eco is the setting one, which is dead quiet. It's also got a little bit of a thermostat control to it. So sometimes you might hear it kicking in because it's trying to get heat on a cold day into the caravan. But if you want to change it manually, press the wheel and just turn it. You've got high. You see the fins changing? There's a third option, Boost, where this will go solid. There needs to be a 10-degree difference between the heat in the van to heat you want to achieve to get on the Boost setting. But if you set it on high, so now it's just blown around a bit quicker. Just coming down here, just to confirm that little black symbol shows you're on mains and the mains connected. You do want to make sure you're on mains, otherwise you're going to get an error. And also, if you're running gas, bleed the gas through first on your cooker or something so you know you've got gas in the system. Again, it can also error at that point. If I just turn that wheel around down to the bottom, this one flashing here is your timer. So you can have the heating coming on at a certain time, but you do need to go through the process, start time, finish time, etc. Please read the manuals, it will give you more information on that. Press the return button there because I don't want to change anything, it just brings you out. That one there is your clock. So obviously if you're going to have the timer on, you do want to set your clock. And what time are we? 10:40. Press the wheel to confirm it, and then whiz that round. 40. Press it to confirm. So the time's set on that one. You've got a little spanner there. These are settings that are behind the scenes to the heating system. So if you want to go into it, press the wheel. Offset is a recalibration of the room thermostat. So you can sort of marry the two up if you want to by -5 degrees. It's on all the new systems. Temperature, if you don't like centigrade, you can change that to Fahrenheit. I'm not going to change anything, so just press the return button. Brightness control, you can alter the screen brightness, so you can dull it down, whatever you like. Change the clock from 24 to 12 hours. Language, if you want to practice something. Index is the software that the caravan works through, so you don't want to go into that. It's just a load of numbers, doesn't make any sense to me. There is a soft reset. If you think the heating system's not working correctly, You can do a soft reset if you want. You're not going to cause any problems. But the best thing is, if you think you've got an error on it, is perhaps turn all the power everything down, and that usually rectifies any sort of problems. You see, we've already gone back to sleep mode, and that was it through that one. There's nothing else on that one.